Hi, I'm Christian Carpenter, an instructional developer for Blackboard. Welcome to the Video Attachment Overview tutorial. The Video Attachment feature offers you the option to attach videos from external websites or from your desktop when you use any of these apps: Article Library, Assignment, Blog, and Headline and Features. So let's look at the Video Attachment tab on the Article Library. Now, in order to have the option to add a video, you need to create a new article. In the new article window, notice that you can see Article, Article Body, Author, Display Duration, Accent Image, and Viewer tabs. Let's add your video title, a mandatory field, and save to create your new article. Now let's get started. Click on your new article. Notice that Attachments has been added to your list of tabs. Click to add a video. In the Attach Video window, you can attach videos by uploading or linking to an external source, or you can upload a video from your computer. There are 2 steps that you should take before uploading a video for the first time. First, be sure to review your school's policy and your sources, sharing, and copyright guidelines. Second, review the guide, Attach a Video, on the How Do I tab in Site Manager for a list of the accepted providers. Now let's paste a link and click Continue. In the Attach Video window, you can edit the title and description. If you want to change the thumbnail image, you can change this from the website where the video is stored. And click Attach. Now to upload a video from your computer, click Browse, and you can upload any MP4 file. Click Continue. Here you can edit the title, the description, and the thumbnail image by using the seek bar to select the frame. And click Attach. Now finally, in the Edit Article window, you can edit or remove your videos. Now let's click Save, so you can see what your videos look like on the end-user website. See, here's your article library with articles each containing video attachments. Let's click on an article and see the videos as they appear on the desktop. Know that regardless of the device, desktop, tablet, or mobile, the article, assignment, blog, and headline and features apps are adaptive to the device in which they're viewed. And when your visitor clicks on a video, they expand for more convenient viewing. Congratulations! You have completed the Video Attachment Overview tutorial. So be sure to check the How Do I tab regularly for new and updated materials. Thanks for watching.